Welcome to our cord knitting machine tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing and threading your machine for flawless cord production. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials ready. These typically include the cord knitting machine, yarn scissors, and any additional accessories mentioned in the machine's user manual. Step 1 is the installation. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to set up your cord knitting machine securely. Ensure that it's placed on a stable surface and all the components are properly attached. Now, let's move on to the threading process. Take your yarn and carefully thread it through the designated hooks or guides on the machine. Make sure the tension is adjusted correctly for smooth and consistent cord production. There are different threading techniques depending on the machine type. Experiment with various methods to find the one that works best for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Once the machine is properly threaded, it's time to start creating beautiful cords. Turn on the machine, and with a steady hand, guide the yarn as it forms into a perfect cord. Take your time and maintain a consistent speed for the best results. Voila! Look at these gorgeous cords we've created using the cord knitting machine. With a little practice and our tips, you'll be able to achieve the same level of perfection. That's it for today's tutorial on mastering cord knitting machines. We hope you found this video helpful in improving your cord knitting skills. Remember to experiment, have fun, and create limitless possibilities with your newfound expertise. Thanks for watching.